These may not look like much to some, but I'm really excited about these. A couple weeks back, we had gone to a farmhouse sale, and I picked up these two banging strawberry pots for like $10 a pot. And I mean, there's a couple things wrong with them, but I'm gonna glue that back on. Got this terracotta clay, and I'm gonna mold it over these and bake them, and then glue that on. Then I got all this paint. So this one is gonna be primed and then painted up like a pineapple, and then this one is gonna be painted, primed, and then everyone in the family is gonna put their handprint on it. So it's gonna be covered in handprints of the family. So pretty excited for that. It's coming along so far. This is just the primer coating. Only prime the outside because I'm gonna prime inside and out. And that's what it pretty much looked like before. That's what it looks like now. If you enjoyed my video, remember to like, share, and subscribe.